Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reroll Pokémon TCG Pocket. So, in order to do this, first of all, install Pokémon TCG application on your mobile phone, open it, select the language, click on continue, and it is going to take you to create an account page. So, the first step is starting fresh. Begin by creating a new account which will give you access to introductory rewards and card packs. Click on create an account on this page, select your country or region, choose your birth date and click on continue. Now click on I'm sure, enter your email address in this field and click on continue. Now this will create a Pokemon account for you. Now click on accept button at this page, enter your screen name, click on continue. Now create a password, select create account, click on I'm sure and it is going to take you to this page. We'll have to enter the activation code received on your Gmail. Copy the code from this email you received from Pokemon, click on continue and this will create a new account for you. Now click on return to login, enter the credentials and click on login. Now after you click on login, it is instantly going to take you to this page. Click on allow and this will load your Pokemon TCG live. Now step 2 is claiming rewards and opening packs. After completing the tutorial and initial missions, claim all your rewards and open your packs to see if you have scored powerful cards. Then evaluate your cards. Check your collection for higher tier cards. If you're not satisfied, consider re-rolling. To re-roll, delete your account data or start a new account. Then repeat the previous steps until you get an ideal setup. So, re-rolling may take time, but it's a great strategy for maximizing your starting cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.